Hi, my name is Maria, and I'm a documentation manager here at Hightouch. This video covers the core concepts Hightouch works with. Specifically, we'll define sources, destinations, models, and sinks. Sources and destinations are the most intuitive to grasp. Sources are wherever business data is stored. They're most commonly data warehouses like Snowflake or Google BigQuery, but also include databases, CSV files, SFTP, or even BI tools. Destinations are anywhere you want to send your source data to. Destinations are typically where end users consume or use data. Hightouch integrates with over 125 destinations, including CRM systems, ad platforms, marketing automation, and support tools. Setting up a source or destination in Hightouch is a one-time thing. It's authenticating access to them in Hightouch. Most of your time in Hightouch is spent on building models and sinks. Models define the data you want to pull from a source. You can define models by writing SQL, using the visual table selector, or relying on existing models in dbt or looks in Looker. Sinks declare how you want that data to appear in a destination, including how often you want the data to be synced. When you configure sinks, you're deciding how to match records between your source and destination, and how to map columns in your source to fields in your destination. You configure sinks in the Hightouch UI, but you can also automate them by triggering them from tools like dbt Cloud, Fivetran, Airflow, and Dagster. You can build multiple sinks off the same model. For example, you can use a model containing customer data to configure sinks to sales, marketing, and support tools. Using the same data model ensures that all parts of your business are working off the same source of truth. To summarize, sources are where your business data is stored. Think data warehouses, databases, spreadsheets, etc. Destinations are the tools or services receiving data from a source. Models define the data you want to pull from a source, and sinks declare how you want that data to appear in your destination. That's all for now. Visit hightouch.com to learn more, book a demo, or jump right in. Thanks for watching.